Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Avira free antivirus on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up a web browser of your choice. I will open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And you want to navigate over to google.com, and into Google search you want to search up Avira free antivirus. One of the best results should be from a site named Avira.com, download free antivirus for Windows. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the I agree with cookies and then select download for free. Select the click here to install. You can see the download is almost done, and go ahead and open up the setup file. Select yes if you receive the user account control prompt. Select agree and install. Okay, so Avira generally wants you to run a smart scan when you start it up for the first time. So let's go ahead and actually do that. Okay, so once that's done, it says it didn't find any viruses. The rest of the stuff here, they're just kind of looking to see if you want to upgrade your version of Avira, which you don't need to do, which I just skipped over. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can see it's updating right now. Okay, so your antivirus is on and you should be good to go. So, and you probably do want to check for updates again if it says it up here. So we're going to go ahead and just check for updates again. Okay, so that should be about it. Do hope I was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.